So, I'm the sous chef and you are getting me to make your lunch according to your instructions, which so far includes buttering the outside, then adding a layer of soft cheese on the inside.
Dijon mustard.
Just to be clear, that's on the outside.
That's the outside, yes. Okay, well, let's not be too verbose about it.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
You know, attention spans on the internet, you know.
Okay, and I'm just...
Yeah, mustard, and now we're gonna put ham on there, and then cheese, so that the cheese is on like the nearest to the bread, so that it can be melty in the toaster.
Sauce going on it?
No special sauce, no, just the special magic sauce.
How many slices of ham?
Just one for me. I mean, you do whatever you do, you babe.
Position this perfectly, because you know.
Deploy the cheese.
Deploying the cheese. There we go.
Yep.
It's Creamfields from Tesco's.
The height of luxury.
Right, and that's it. And do you want me to put any herbs and spices?
Nothing. I want nothing between the cheese and the bread.
Okay.
Good work, babe.
Thanks.
My very loud computer is currently exporting today's vlog. I mean, the vlog that is going out today, which was a beast. It's because I was vlogging 2 days in a row and then only editing it once, and it had lots and lots of different sections. So I am not gonna do that again, even though I do really like that vlog. It's one of my favorites so far because it's got so many different little sections in it. I am losing a little bit of steam with the old Vlogmas, mostly because the editing is taking me away from other things that I either want or should be doing. So I have to I basically have to just yak more to the camera and do fewer montages, because editing montages is very time consuming, whereas editing this is not time consuming because I don't do anything to it. Anyway, I'm going to have my lunch, which is, where are we? That is my lunch. And I'm going to watch New Girl because I'm still on my binge, and then I will hopefully do some work after. Hello, my peeps. I'm cold and I'm tired. What else is new? It's Monday evening. It is 5:15. I haven't been vlogging much because I've basically just been a bit too busy and also just doing stuff that isn't interesting to vlog. Basically just sitting at my computer. But I've just come up here for a minute. I've got choir at 7. I need to go out about 6:30. Need to eat some dinner beforehand. Between now and then, I'm going to just spend a little bit of time with my planner journal to do a new weekly layout. So this was last week, and this is my ongoing to-do list. I need to add more stuff to this, and this page is going to be for this week, which is week 49. Welcome to week 49. So it appears that we both have a solo.
We do. We've made it.
Mm-hmm. We've made it.
We've made it.
Like choir apex achieved.
It is. It's a very special achievement.
I'm breaking it.
You'll be alright.
I don't think you are, because you've done one before. But yeah.
I mean, I'm always actually terrified. I just fake it the whole time.
Okay. Well, this is what's happening. Good morning. This face is tired. I got in at midnight last night, and then this monster woke us up at like 5 in the morning as well. So yeah, that was all I needed. Last night was fun though, and just to provide some context, because I wasn't able to like film loads of clips. It's all a bit disjointed when I film at choir. Me and 3 other people got given a solo in the same song. I auditioned for it last week, which was nerve-wracking, and now it's going to be even more nerve-wracking to sing solo, except we will be singing actually mostly together, which will be, that'll be really helpful. Hang on, I just need to switch off the radiator, heater. Switch this off. Yeah, I am, I'm pretty nervous about it actually. I kind of avoid doing things, in front of groups of people. I feel very uncomfortable and nervous, and also like I don't feel super confident about my voice. So although I know I can sing reasonably well, I get very nervous if I have to sing by myself, and like my voice wavers a lot and stuff, so that's ugh. But I also really want to do it, also specifically because it's this song, it's The Man by Taylor Swift, and I love that song. It will be really cool to get to sing a solo for a little bit of that. In any case, you probably will never see that part of the concert. Wow. This weather is highly unpleasant. But I guess at least I am dressed for it. Alright. Let me do a little quick update while you watch me walk on the pavement. And you see the pretty autumn leaves and the glistening pavement. So today has been one of those days where I'm just trying to survive. I'm just trying to get to the evening so that I can veg and not have to do anything anymore. Yeah, it's pretty, I'm just so tired. I can't really do anything. And then this morning we were just doing lots of boring tech stuff, not really any vlog-worthy content. And I'm also realizing that at the moment I'm feeling like the vlogging is getting in the way a little bit of me actually being productive and doing stuff. So I am kind of dialing it back a little bit. Right now I'm going to be picking up one of my kids, and that in a way that's good because it just means I get to focus on that and I don't really have to do very much. I have a very easy dinner planned, kind of like almost a ready meal. I mean, it kind of requires a bit of cooking, but not too much. Once that's done, I will be able to get in my pajamas and veg out, maybe do some art, or maybe just have an early night, and that will be good. Yeah, that's kind of it for the update right now, and I'll speak to you later. What are you doing, Zeph?
I am wrapping a Christmas present.
Amazing, very good.